Thanks for tuning in for Music News TV. The Michael Jackson estate has finally reached a summation deal with Sony Records to sell the remaining portion of the ownership stake in Sony. So Sony now has 100% back. That 50% stake that Michael Jackson owned was sold to the estate for over $750 million. $733 million of that is in total cash. In addition to that, don't feel bad about the estate or feel like they were taking advantage of to any degree. They get to keep Michael Jackson's all of his masters. In addition to that, they get to keep the remainder of his publishing estate, which is the MyJack Music. Now, this is worth an awful lot of money too, because this owns all of the publishing, not all of the publishing, but the publishing for songs from people like Eminem, Whitney Houston, and many, many more big artists and big names that you probably heard a million times. Okay. Also, in addition to that, Michael also owned ownership stake in EMI Music, in which the Michael Jackson estate gets to keep as well. So all is fair in business there. So the Jackson estate seems to be very happy with the deal. More breaking news. Check out us on YouTube and subscribe. Okay.